Hi, in today's video, we'll discuss how to get money off your Starbucks card. Stay engaged until the end to learn how to do this and more. You can easily get money off your Starbucks card by registering it on the Starbucks website. Once the card is registered, you can transfer the funds from your Starbucks card to a bank account linked to your account. Here's how. Register your card online. Visit starbucks.com. Sign in to your Starbucks account and click your profile icon. Tap the drop-down menu and select Card Management. Select the Add Card option and input your Starbucks card details like the security code and card number. Click Add Card to complete the process. Transfer the funds. Head to starbucks.com and sign into your account. Go to the Rewards section and look under My Starbucks Rewards. Click Cash Out and enter the amount you'd like to transfer from the card to the bank account. If you haven't linked your Starbucks account to a bank, head to the Payment section and enter your bank account details. Review your entries to ensure the information is accurate before confirming the transaction. It takes the bank 3 to 5 business days to process your request. So there you have it. Getting money off your Starbucks card is that easy. Thanks for watching. Until next time.